Guys, I'm gonna be so honest with y'all. I do not feel like myself. And it's because I don't have freaking eyelashes. But hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be posting more. Alright, buddy. I've been recording this such a long time and I feel so weird. So guys, we have this two-piece from Shein. And then these 3 basic shirts. And then I have 2 pairs of shorts with 1 pair of jeans. And then my stuff for my face. I have a cover up, 2 shorts, 2 sports bra, and then another shirt over there. Hey guys, so it's about to be 3 in the morning and we just got here to Oklahoma in the cabins, and then this is where we're staying at. We'll show you more tomorrow when it's daylight. You guys, look how pretty. Cheers. You guys, this is the backyard. I think it's a little playground, it's a pool, and then table, nature, the jacuzzi, and my friend, and then the fit for today. We're gonna take pictures, okay?
Okay.
No, hacia el otro lado.
¿Así?
Get the camera. Dígale a mis friends qué está haciendo.
Calentando tortillas de las sobrinas.
And then you guys, we have some discada que hizo Felipe.
Oh, I made it. Yes.
It's very good.
From Durango.
Very good. From Durango.
Durango style.
Durango style.
Yo soy de Durango.
My family. Algo bien, algo bien.
2 hours later.
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
You guys, we're stuck. little hilito that pushes, well, that pulls it. 1 down, 2 more to go. Lifesaver. You guys, look, they're all trying to push it. Because the freaking string thing doesn't want to go. It's too heavy. They look like little ants. Look. And then not all the people over there are just staring and not helping.
1 eternity later.
Yeah. Ganas. What the heck, bro, you guys? There's gonna be a thunderstorm. All the wind. Crazy. Y'all can't even see on the camera. Okay, bro.
The next morning.
You guys, look how pretty. We came to another laguna with my mom and my sister because it's way too hot. You guys, it's so hot. Brenna.
Hi guys. I'm gonna go on top right there, right?
All right. Yeah. Dang, it's looking high. All right. I'm not gonna be able to see him, but it's gonna light up. Oh.
Bruh.
Oh wow. He's doing head in first. Yeah. Oh no. Did that hurt?
Roleteando por mi barrio, escuchando los corridos, fumándome un gallito paranoia bien prendido, que suene todos los loches pa' que retumbe.